Sometimes the Part 2 long turn, or in Part 3 the discussion questions, will often ask you to speculate. For example, you might be asked to imagine a different situation to the one you are in, or you could be asked to talk about the possibility of something happening in the future. Speculating like this can easily be done using words or phrases like I might, or it's possible, or perhaps. And in this lesson, we'll look at some more phrases you can use to speculate when you get questions or tasks that want you to do this. Imagine. Here's a straightforward one. Imagine simply means what it says, that you imagine what something is like or might happen. For example, I imagine I'll be doing what I do now, although I also imagine technology will have moved on quite a lot by then. Dare say. We use dare say to mean that we believe something is true. For example, I dare say I'll be taking the children out somewhere. We usually go somewhere on a Saturday or a Sunday. I suppose or I expect so. Again, these mean you believe something is or isn't true. We use it as a short answer to a question, but of course in the exam you'll want to extend your answer a little. For example, I expect so, yes. We'll probably have a family holiday in the summer. Suppose or expect. These have the same meaning but are used at the beginning of the statement. For example, I don't suppose I'll be having another career change, so I think I'll carry on doing what I'm doing now. Likely or unlikely. Use this if you think something's probably going to happen or not going to happen. For example, I think it's likely we'll stay where we are. We're quite settled and enjoy living here. Bound to. Use this if you think something's certainly true or certainly going to happen. For example, I think scientists are bound to come up with a solution to global warming, otherwise we're all in a lot of trouble. There's no way. This is used in the negative sense to mean that you're certain something is not going to happen. For example, not at all, no. There's no way I'd do something scary like bungee jumping or anything like that. So to sum up, here are the phrases we've looked at to speculate or express possibility. Try to use a variety of them in your exam preparation. If you'd like to practice using these phrases in an IELTS style practice test, visit the IELTS Speaking website where you'll have the chance to record yourself doing Part 2 and Part 3 style tests. Alternatively, you can listen to other students who've tried the tests themselves and decide how well they've used these phrases. You'll find us at www.ieltsspeaking.co.uk.